Don't eat it yet. Hey, look at Daddy.
Don't.
Eat it, eat it, eat it. Chew it up. Chew it up.
That's my plan.
What does it taste like? Does it taste like blueberries? What does that taste like?
Does it taste funny?
Does it taste like toothpaste? Does it taste like toothpaste or berries? You got toothpaste, and you got berry blue.
Oh, can I try another one?
Yep. So you're gonna try another one, but look at Daddy when you do it, because he wants to videotape. Okay. Hurry up and finish that.
Can I hold mine?
Don't eat it yet, okay? Promise. Do not eat it yet. Trust me, smelling it doesn't work. Mommy tried. Okay. Go. Is it really sweet or does it taste funny? What did it taste like?
Maybe squash or something else.
Squash or something else? How about a booger?
Something that I don't like.
Something that you don't like? Did it taste like a booger?
I think I do.
Sissy, what does yours taste like?
A booger.
Ah! Like a booger.
Hey, Goldberg.